Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to save time using keyboard shortcuts in Canva. Let's get started, and jump over to Canva. First, we'll need to click on Create a Design. Next, we'll open a presentation to work on. After it loads, let's try our first shortcut. Normally, if we wanted to add text, we'd click on the left sidebar. But today, we're just going to type the letter T. You'll see when we do that, a text box pops right onto our screen. You'll see, you can just resize or reposition the text like usual. Okay, so let's hit the undo arrow to clear our screen again. For our next shortcut we're going to type the L key. This time you'll see a line pops right onto your screen. You'll also see a mini toolbar up top whenever you have a line highlighted on your screen. Here, you can change the line's thickness, or weight. You can also do some other things with the line, like change it to dashes or mini dashes. Okay, so let's hit the undo arrow to clear our screen again. This time we're going to hit the C key on our keyboard. And, just like that, a circle pops right onto our screen. Again, we can resize it, reposition it, or change its color just like usual. Alright, let's hit the undo arrow and clear our screen for the next shortcut. The next letter we'll type on our keyboard will be the R key. Now, you'll see a rectangle instantly appears on your screen. And, again, if you head to the upper toolbar, you have lots of design options. Experiment with these and see what's possible. Lots of options. Okay, so, let's clear our screen again to see the final shortcut for today. We're going to hit the / key on our keyboard. This time you'll see that a mini drop-down menu shows up on our screen. In that menu, you'll see you have shortcuts to many of the features from the left sidebar. Text, line, arrow, circle, table, emoji, rectangle, heart, pie chart, bar chart, line chart, star, triangle, hexagon, pentagon, embed, graphics, photos, videos, logos, open grids, find and replace text, and help. Think of all the time you'll save instead of having to search for these items in the left sidebar. As a quick example, look how our video search is just a keystroke away. And we can search right here in our dropdown. Quick and easy. Here, let's try searching for a waterfall video. What a great time saver. Okay, let's try something else. How about a table? One click in our dropdown and we've got a table we can customize for our needs. Think of all the time savers in that one simple drop-down, accessed with one keystroke. Now, get on Canva and try it yourself. Practice, and have fun with your new skill. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And, see you in the next video.